There is no other agent that I would recommend joining a team with in the LA area more than Rudy. He is a true visionary. He really passionately cares about his agents and always leading them in the right direction. I know he gives back to the community. He is just an amazing leader, an amazing person, and I know his team absolutely loves him.
He is a fantastic broker. He's always giving and training. Everybody just loves him. We love him. And I know for sure that anytime that you get services from Rudy's team, you're going to have the best real estate experience ever.
The way that he's able to visualize the systems and the techniques to make everything work, to have the most happiest sellers and buyers out there that pretty much anybody can ever put together, is something that Rudy has a special skill for. So if you're ever thinking of looking to buy or sell a house, Rudy is the guy to talk to.
If you are a home buyer and you're looking to buy a home, there's nobody else that you should call other than Rudy Kusuma Home Selling Team, because they have access to homes. They can get you the best deal possible. They can get you homes before they hit the market. All right, and if you are a seller, if you're a homeowner looking to sell your home in Southern California, you should call Rudy Kusuma Home Selling Team, because he has access to buyers, which means your home may already be sold. You'll get a higher price, you'll sell faster, and it'll be hassle-free. So there's no one else, nobody else in Southern California that I would endorse, that I would call other than Rudy Kusuma Home Selling Team.